For thousands of years, humans have traveled the world by water. Whether facing fierce waves, terrible storms, or fierce battles, there are countless ways a boat can capsize, making seafaring a risky occupation. However, some parts of the world are far more dangerous than others. So today, hoist your rigging and prepare your sails as we count down the 15 most dangerous oceans and seas in the world. 15th Caribbean Sea. The Caribbean is home to countless beautiful islands, ideal for a sunny and windy tropical vacation. Pristine beaches, clear blue waters, and a rich culture make it a dream destination for millions of visitors. However, from June 1st to November 30th each year, the Caribbean is regularly threatened by tropical storms. These storms vary in size and strength, but the unique geography of the Caribbean Sea makes them more frequent. Hurricanes often form off the coast of Africa, where strong winds cause water to evaporate, which then cools and condenses into giant cumulus clouds. When wind speeds reach 73 miles per hour, 119 kilometers per hour, the storm is officially classified as a major hurricane, bringing with it terrifying devastation. One of the most notable examples is Hurricane Katrina in 2005, a natural disaster that shocked the world. After sweeping through the Caribbean, the storm continued to wreak havoc across the southern United States, claiming nearly 1,400 lives and leaving behind a devastating economic impact of $145 billion. Events like Katrina not only expose the formidable power of nature, but also serve as a reminder of the need for humans to be better prepared for extreme weather events. 14. The Deep Sea. The Dead Sea, located on the border between Jordan, Israel, and Palestine, is a natural wonder known for its exceptionally high salinity at around 34%. It is one of the saltiest bodies of water on Earth, nearly 10 times saltier than regular seawater. Because of its high salinity, the Dead Sea cannot support any form of life, from plants to animals, as its name suggests. However, the abundant mineral salts provide great health and skincare benefits, making the area an ideal destination for medical and therapeutic resorts. Although it may seem peaceful and attractive, exposure to the Dead Sea comes with special precautions. Experts recommend swimming for only 20 minutes or less to avoid unwanted effects from the high salinity. If the Dead Sea water accidentally gets into your eyes, nose, or mouth, you will immediately feel an extremely uncomfortable burning sensation. Therefore, visitors are always advised to be careful when experiencing, to fully enjoy the unique beauty of this sea area. 13. The Drake Passage. The Drake Passage, one of the most dangerous and notorious seas in the world, is a crucial transition point between the Atlantic and Pacific Oceans. Located between the coast of Chile and Antarctica, the strait is not only a meeting place for two oceans, but also an extremely harsh area with extremely harsh weather conditions. The Drake Passage is nicknamed the Drake Shake due to the huge waves and strong winds that blow through the area, creating violent movements of the seawater. These waves can be up to 15 meters high, and strong winds can reach speeds of up to 100 kilometers per hour, making navigating the strait a major challenge for ships. With its strong whirlpools and large storms, the Drake Passage is a constant nightmare for sailors, especially during the winter months when weather conditions become more severe. However, despite the dangers, this place also attracts many explorers and adventure lovers because it is the gateway to the mysterious land of Antarctica. Journeys through the Drake Passage are not only a physical challenge, but also an opportunity to witness the wild, majestic beauty of nature at the southernmost point of the planet. 12th, the Bering Sea. Located off the coast of Alaska, the Bering Sea is one of the harshest and most dangerous seas on the planet. It is famous for its challenging natural conditions, with the typical cold temperatures of the Arctic, the strong winds that blow constantly, and the giant glaciers that move silently in the middle of the ocean. This sea also surprises people with giant waves up to 9 meters high, not only threatening ships, but also imprinting the fierceness of nature in the minds of those who have been here. The Bering Sea is also known through the reality show Deadliest Catch, which recreates the dangerous lives of brave fishermen. They have to overcome harsh weather and raging waves to make a living. This is not only a sea, but also a symbol of human will, where the battle for survival between humans and nature takes place endlessly. Eleventh Pacific Ocean. The name Pacific, which means peace, may seem at first glance contradictory to the true nature of this vast ocean. Not only is the Pacific Ocean famous for its majestic beauty and biodiversity, it is also home to countless natural hazards. Sharp coral reefs hidden beneath the turquoise waters pose a threat to ships, while countless predatory sharks and swarms of poisonous jellyfish float about, ready to make the unwary pay. The ocean's deep waters also hide undiscovered secrets, from mysterious creatures to incredible geological structures. In addition, the Pacific Ocean is home to the Ring of Fire, an area containing hundreds of active volcanoes that constantly produce powerful eruptions. It is also the epicenter of terrifying earthquakes and devastating tsunamis, causing heavy damage to both humans and the environment. Despite its evocative name, this ocean is actually one of the most violent places on Earth, showcasing the terrifying power and unpredictable volatility of nature. The 10th, the Baltic Sea. The Baltic Sea, seemingly calm and clear on the surface, hides a disturbing and dangerous reality. Beneath its calm waters lie more than 65,000 tons of chemical weapons buried since World War II, including a variety of toxic substances such as mustard gas, phosphorus, and other deadly compounds. These weapons are not only a haunting legacy of war, but also a potential threat to the environment and human life in the region. Over time, the chemical containers have begun to corrode, causing toxic substances to leak into the marine environment. This not only causes serious pollution, but also directly affects the marine ecosystem, killing many species and reducing biodiversity. This problem turns the Baltic Sea into a potential time bomb, ready to explode at any time if not properly managed and handled. Its unpredictable consequences not only pose a great challenge to coastal countries, but also serve as a wake-up call about the cost of war and irresponsibility in environmental protection. 9. The North Sea. The North Sea, located between Europe and the North Atlantic Ocean, is one of the most challenging seas in the world. Strong currents constantly circulating, combined with large, violent waves, create a harsh marine environment. Strong winds blowing from the North Atlantic constantly stir up the sea surface, making navigation a formidable challenge, even for experienced sailors. The low average water temperature throughout the year adds to the harshness, directly threatening the lives of humans and marine life. These cold waters are not only a natural barrier, but also a deadly danger for anyone who falls into the sea, with the risk of hypothermia occurring within minutes. However, the North Sea still plays an important economic and ecological role, being a center for oil, gas exploitation, and fishing. At the same time, this is also an important trade route connecting European countries, contributing to the economic development of the region, despite facing harsh natural conditions that people always have to find ways to overcome. 8. The Southern Ocean. The waters surrounding the continent of Antarctica, known as the Southern Ocean, are known for their fierce storms and some of the most extreme weather conditions on Earth. Powerful winds whip across the ocean's surface, creating massive waves, while extremely low temperatures and thick ice make it a challenging environment for both humans and machines. This sea has been called nature's fury and is one of the most inhospitable places on Earth that few dare venture to. However, the Southern Ocean is incredibly important to scientific research and understanding of our planet. Scientists from around the world come here to conduct research on global climate, from analyzing icebergs to learn about the history of climate change to tracking ocean currents and unique marine ecosystems. The findings from these waters give people a deeper understanding of environmental change and the impacts of climate change. Despite being a harsh and dangerous place, the seas surrounding Antarctica are an invaluable natural laboratory, offering opportunities to explore and protect the planet in the future. 7. Sea of Marmara. Sea slime, a particularly serious environmental pollution phenomenon, has turned the Sea of Marmara into a dangerous and alarming body of water. It is the result of algal blooms caused by factors such as rising water temperatures, pollution from industrial and agricultural activities, and untreated sewage. This slime, also known as mucilage, forms a thick, viscous layer on the water surface, covering large areas, disrupting the natural balance of the marine ecosystem. Sea slime not only suffocates marine life, from fish, crabs, to coral reefs, but also poses significant risks to humans and ships. This slime can stick to ship engines, clog cooling systems, and cause serious damage. For humans, it negatively affects the fishing industry, tourism, and even public health due to polluted seawater. Furthermore, the persistent presence of marine slime has led to economic and ecological crises in many coastal communities, raising concerns about its long-term impact on the environment. This issue is not only an environmental challenge, but also a wake-up call for the need to control pollution and protect the seas, which are a source of life and precious resources for humanity. Solutions need to be implemented quickly to prevent the phenomenon from spreading, and at the same time, build awareness of ocean protection for future generations. Sixth, the Sea of Azov. The war between Russia and Ukraine has been nothing if not fierce, and the relevant waters of the Sea of Azov have been at the center of some of the worst conflicts. Located between eastern Ukraine and southwestern Russia, it is part of the Black Sea, connected via the Kerch Strait. However, while its strategic location makes it a geopolitical hotspot, the harsh conditions of the Sea of Azov also make it one of the most dangerous seas in the world. What makes the Sea of Azov unique is that it is one of the shallowest seas in the world, with an average depth of just 7 meters. This makes it extremely vulnerable to weather fluctuations. High waves and strong currents are easily formed, especially during storms. At the same time, because the sea is shallow, its temperature levels change rapidly, making it difficult for marine animals and sailors alike. In addition, pollution is a major threat. Industrial waste from the surrounding area has caused severe water pollution, which has degraded fish habitats and increased the risk of disease for people who come into contact with the water. As such, the Sea of Azov is not only a geopolitically risky area, but also an environmentally dangerous one. 5. The Black Sea. The Black Sea, located between Eastern Europe and Western Asia, is one of the most unique and important seas in the world. Bordered by 6 countries, including Russia, Ukraine, Turkey, Bulgaria, Romania, and Georgia, the Black Sea is not only strategically important economically and geopolitically, but also a rich ecosystem with incredible biodiversity. However, it also hides many mysteries and challenges. The Black Sea's most notable feature is its unique water structure. The surface water is rich in oxygen, but below a depth of about 200 meters, the sea becomes an oxygen-depleted environment, creating a natural dead zone. This causes many marine creatures to only be able to live in the upper water layer. At the same time, the sea also faces many serious environmental problems, including pollution from large rivers such as the Danube and ecosystem degradation due to overexploitation. In addition, the Black Sea also has deep historical and cultural significance. Since ancient times, the sea has been a vital trade route connecting Europe and Asia and a crossroads of many great civilizations. Today, the Black Sea continues to play a central role in economic activities, from shipping to tourism, fishing, and energy extraction. But to protect its beauty and value, international cooperation is needed to address environmental and sustainable development challenges. 4th, Arctic Ocean. The Arctic Ocean, located in the northernmost region of the Earth, is the smallest and coldest of the 5 oceans, but it plays a crucial role in the global climate. With its surface often covered in ice, the Arctic Ocean is one of the harshest regions on the planet. Low temperatures, strong winds, and long winter darkness make it a challenging place for both humans and animals. The ocean is not only home to unique animals such as polar bears, seals, and whales, but also contains a diverse marine ecosystem that depends on ice and cold water to survive. However, the Arctic Ocean is facing alarming changes due to climate change. The melting of ice is happening at an unprecedented rate, not only threatening the lives of animals, but also raising sea levels and affecting the global ocean current system. In addition, the Arctic Ocean is also of strategic economic and geopolitical significance. As the ice melts, new sea routes open up, shortening shipping distances between continents and exposing natural resources such as oil and gas. However, exploiting these resources also poses major environmental challenges and requires international cooperation to protect this precious ocean. The Arctic Ocean is not only a symbol of nature's power, but also a reminder of humanity's responsibility to protect the planet from extreme changes. 3. The Mediterranean Sea. Located between three continents, Asia, Europe, and Africa, the Mediterranean Sea is one of the most iconic bodies of water in the world, renowned not only for its stunning scenery, but also for its rich history and strategic role in global trade. With its sparkling blue waters and charming coastlines stretching across France, Italy, Greece, and Spain, the Mediterranean Sea has long been a dream destination for millions of tourists each year. It is also the birthplace of many great civilizations, contributing to the formation of timeless cultural, artistic, and scientific values. However, beneath its enchanting beauty lies many significant risks and challenges. Strong currents, especially in narrow straits like Gibraltar, can make it difficult and dangerous for ships to navigate. In winter, the sea is often subject to violent storms, adding to the risks of travel and exploitation. Not only that, the Mediterranean Sea is also facing serious environmental degradation. Overexploitation from the fishing industry, pollution from industrial wastewater, and uncontrolled tourism activities have been and are degrading the habitat of many rare marine species. The Mediterranean Sea is not only a symbol of natural beauty and human history, but also a profound reminder of human responsibility in protecting nature. In the modern world, where environmental issues are becoming increasingly urgent, maintaining and protecting the sustainability of the Mediterranean Sea is a task that belongs not only to coastal countries, but to all of humanity. Only by working together can we preserve the timeless beauty and value of this legendary sea for future generations. 2. The Indian Ocean. Known for its fierce tropical storms, giant tsunamis, and busy shipping lanes, the Indian Ocean is considered one of the world's most dangerous oceans. Located between four major continents, Africa, Asia, Australia, and Antarctica, the ocean is not only vital to global trade, but also a hotbed of extreme natural phenomena. With the destructive power of major storms, such as Cyclone Nargis, which have caused enormous loss of life and property, the Indian Ocean is a symbol of the combination of majestic beauty and natural devastation. The Indian Ocean is also associated with one of the most horrific natural disasters in modern history. The 2004 tsunami, which claimed the lives of more than 230,000 people in many coastal countries. This phenomenon not only shook communities, but also left profound lessons about human fragility in the face of the power of nature. In addition, the complex currents and high temperatures in the area make it a harsh environment, challenging both humans and marine life. The Indian Ocean is not only a dangerous sea, but also a symbol of the vitality and power of our planet. The potential dangers here are a reminder that humans need to respect and be in harmony with nature and be prepared to face the unpredictable challenges that the ocean brings. The sea always contains mysterious beauty, but is no less scary, a place where courage and caution always need to be put first when humans seek to conquer or survive. Thank you for watching the whole video. If you find this content interesting and useful, please like to support us and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the next interesting videos. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell to update as soon as there is a new video. Your opinion is very important. Please leave a comment below. Share this video to spread the value to more people. Thank you for your support.